For years, the price of AI coding assistance was decoupled from its actual cost. For a flat rate of $20 a month, developers could access nearly unlimited machine intelligence. Tech platforms used billions of dollars in venture capital to subsidize these plans. They took massive losses to create an environment where server compute appeared infinite and practically free. That period is ending. GitHub Copilot, one of the most widely used AI coding assistants, recently froze all new user signups to prevent their internal infrastructure from buckling under the load. Existing users saw immediate restrictions. Top-tier models like Anthropic's Opus 45 and 46 were removed from standard plans without warning. Developers and companies built their entire workflows around the assumption of cheap, endless compute. Now that the subsidy has been withdrawn, they are dependent on a tool that is rapidly shrinking in capability.
The trigger for this pivot was a shift in how programmers use the technology, specifically the rise of agentic workflows. Instead of asking an AI to write a single function, developers began deploying autonomous sub-agents to act on their behalf. By stringing these tasks together, a single user can spin up dozens of agents running parallel to one another, building entire applications simultaneously. These long-running requests require massive amounts of continuous server power. As this behavior became common, it mathematically overwhelmed the physical data centers designed to support simple chat interactions. A power user running multiple parallel agents can easily burn through thousands of dollars in processing power while only paying a $20 monthly fee. The autonomous features that were marketed as the future of coding have physically and financially broken the business model that launched them. In response, the major platforms have entered survival mode. They are aggressively dismantling the all-you-can-eat monthly subscription. GitHub Copilot's $10 plan previously included an allowance of 300 premium requests per month. That system has been scrapped. This chart shows the new reality. Platforms are shifting to a strict, token-based credit system. Your cost is tied directly to the raw data your prompts consume. Free baseline models have been eliminated. To access premium AI generation, developers must now navigate steep model multipliers. A request using an Opus model previously cost 3 credits. That same request now costs 27 credits, a 900% increase in usage cost for the same output. GitHub has transformed the standard consumer subscription into a system of prepaid API credits. Once a developer exceeds those prepaid limits, the safety net is gone. They are billed at the same undiscounted rates used for direct API access. The monetization covers the entire development cycle. GitHub actions required for bot-in-the-id code review now incur separate additional usage charges. The only meaningful feature still included in the base price is simple in-editor code completion. Companies are throttling their service while passing their astronomical compute costs directly to the user. This shift is creating a significant challenge for corporate tech budgets. Corporate finance relies on predictability. A fixed per-user license is easy to budget for, but a volatile pay-per-token model creates an unpredictable expense that fluctuates every day. If an engineering team of 1,000 people runs unbridled parallel AI agents, a predictable budget line transforms into an uncapped corporate liability. Enterprise companies will likely respond by restricting developer access to these tools to prevent cloud computing costs from spiraling out of control. This rationing will have a paralyzing effect on newer developers who relied on AI to generate code they couldn't write themselves. If these engineers cannot afford the required tools and haven't mastered the underlying logic, they are essentially unable to produce software. The end of the AI subsidy is forcing the market to prioritize foundational programming knowledge, true manual efficiency, and independent problem-solving. As the cost of compute rises, market value shifts back toward engineers who can produce results without a massive token budget. When the machine becomes too expensive to run, the reliable human programmer becomes the industry's most essential asset.
The rain on the metal roof. I just drove into this